Welcome back to Maintainer's Garage, and clearly behind me is a 2013 Mercedes-Benz SLK350. How did I end up with this? More specifically, how did my wife end up with this? Well, she was driving her lovely NC Miata, and a guy in a Chevy Colorado decided he wanted to occupy the same space as my wife's Miata. Smash. Now my wife's okay, no worries, didn't get injured at all, a little bit of whiplash, but nothing serious. But Miata got totaled out. If you've been shopping for a car recently, you understand it's a little nuts. So we looked at all kinds of things, and she settled on this 2013 SLK350. And today we're going to be doing, when we bought it, the left cornering light was out, so we got to replace that. So that's what we're going to be doing, and it's just a little quick intro vid for the SLK350 to y'all. Wife digs the snot out of it so far, so hopefully that'll continue. Our complicated filing system here, it's time to pull the Miata off. We'll miss you. And she loved that car. That was an easy car to work on. I hope this car is easy to work on. We'll see. And now we'll put the SLK file in here and go ahead and start that up. So that left-hand cornering light, that's it's a little light that comes on in the headlamp. And when you turn the wheel to the left, this light comes on to help illuminate that direction. When you turn the wheel to the right, a light comes on the right-hand side to help illuminate that direction. So the left one's out. Let's get into that. And there's our little error message up here. It says check left cornering light. That's how we knew the light was a problem. I saw the little light inside there and turned to the right, saw the one came on, turned to the left, saw it didn't come on. So I was like, all right, got to fix that. We're on the driver's side, left-hand side of the vehicle. So high beam, low beam. In between them two is a little light bulb right there. And you can see there's a little reflector deal right there. So it's that light bulb that's burned out. On the back side of this is a little access panel. I'm going to see if I can get the camera into position to show you that. If not, I may just have to take a still and put that in here. No good way for me to get the camera down in this little hole right here. So I'll stick a picture of that in here as best I can. And that's as good as I can show you. Just right next to this windshield washer fluid cap, just outboard of that towards this fender, just on the back side of this light assembly is a little panel, little cover, little circular cover with a lip on it. If you rotate that counterclockwise, so you grab that lip, rotate it counterclockwise, pull it off, that should give you access into here. And yeah, this is a feel. You're not going to be able to actually see this. You just got to stick your fingers in there, and I can see the light moving as I jiggle this. And you just pull straight out, and it'll come right out. Yep, just slides, light just slides right off. Plug, boom, done. And what kind of light bulb is this? H7. Easy enough. Now we got to go to the store and get one. All right, so we got our new light bulb. Clearly I'm wearing gloves. This is not a turn your head and cough moment. This is a don't touch the bulb with your greasy paws moment, or otherwise it'll burn out much faster. So it's got this little locating tab right here. The bulb goes in just like that. Locating tab on top. The plug, the wires go, so as you're holding the plug, the wires face you, standing this way, and those go straight down. You probably can't put it in backwards, but that's how it came out. That's how we're going back in. And this is definitely just a hunt and feel kind of situation, but you can look forward here as you try to put it in the hole and pushed in. As stated, the little plug, as the wires, they're facing me as it slides in, and it just pushes straight in, locks in, and done. We're going to go ahead and put our cap back on. Put on clockwise, righty-tighty, whatever works for you. Now I'll move the camera around. We'll see if we can get this thing working in action. And it starts off with the check left cornering light error message. It came up immediately. And it's still on. Let's see if she turns on. She's not on. Uh-oh. It's not on either. The right one's not on. Why is the right one not on? Mother trucker. All right, that one's on. I saw that one come on. Why is this one not on? Oh, success. Booyah. Let's turn it back on. No error message. Perfect. What I think happened is with the hood open, I don't think the cornering lights were supposed to come on. So I closed the hood, turned the wheel to the right, and the right one came on, then turned the wheel to the left, and this came on. It's kind of goofy. You're playing with a computer that says, hey, turning this light on in this situation. But anyway, it's fixed. Brownie points with the wife. So that's changing your left-hand cornering light on your 2013 SLK350. Thanks for watching Maintainer's Garage. Have a great day. And if you happen to see any videos following this video and I'm wearing the same outfit, no, I didn't make those on the same day and release them later to generate hashtag content.